Hey Stampers, it's Gaynor again, and this one is totally different. You're not going to see a card from me or a 3D project today. I'm coming on to do a 10,000k subbies giveaway, and I know it's only saying 8,000 now, but in this past month and a half I have shot up from 6 to 7 from 7 to nearly 8 now. So I did say I was going to do a massive giveaway once we got to 10,000, which is going to be here before we know it. I can't get over this. This is brilliant. I mean, I've been doing YouTube now 2 years this month. I started YouTubing and started off with like 1 subscriber, and now to be saying I'm at nearly 8,000, and it's just mind-blowing. And to think before long it'll be 10. So I'm going to show you something. I had one of these kits. I adore this kit. It's one of those all-inclusive. You can gift wrap this. It comes with, it's got bits in. It comes with 20 cards for you to make. It comes with the stamp set. It comes with the block. It comes with the ink. It comes with the baker's twine. It comes with all the cutouts, the dies, just the little elements all on here. This one is mine, and I've completed it. I've given some away as thank you cards, you know, but I'm going to give another one of these away with 2 packets of designer series paper. Well, two lots of designer series paper. I will either get it from Stampin' Up, or I'll get it from the range or the works, or one of my many places I go shopping. I'm going to include the new Stampin' Up Pick Me Up tool. I've got this one, so I don't really need the Stampin' Up one. Or I may get you another one. I'll get the person one of these. I'm going to be some fine tip glue pen, or some glue of some sort, or maybe a Tombow. Any type of adhesive, so you won't have to worry about putting your kit together. I'm going to put some washi tape in there and some Memories and More pack as well. It's a grand total prize of about £70, but that is UK only, but everyone can enter from everywhere, because I will do something special for those internationals. I'm going to draw 3 winners. One will be the first one to get the kit with all the stuff I've just mentioned. A nice little bundle to keep you going. So you'll basically be able to open a box. You'll have the glue, you'll have the ink, you'll have the block, you'll have the stamp set, you'll have every element to make 20 beautiful cards. They come with envelopes. I'm going to make every one of the winners one of these. If you are international, I will send stuff that is non-Stampin' Up, because I'm not allowed to send current products. I'm going to put one of these little gift shaker boxes in as well. Handmade, but a lot nicer than this. I'm going to make an even nicer one. I'm going to include quite a few little elements that I've made myself. These you'll get to see in a couple of days. I'll even include a pocket letter for the winner. Second prize will get, I don't know, we'll come back to that one. I will send you a stamp set of my choice from non-Stampin' Up, I'm afraid, and some designer series paper, and maybe some glue again, or some tear and tape or something like that. And the internationals, I will sort something out for you people. Don't you worry, my darlings, you will not go without. So it'll be 3 prizes. So just all you've got to do is leave me a lovely comment. And what I'll do then, when I do the live, because I will come on and do a live, isn't that cute? What do they call it? Drawing. But what I'll do is I'll film it as I'm pointing on the camera, and we'll choose from all of the, I'll do a numbers call out, 1, 2, whatever the end, say there's 150 comments, then I'll do a number generator and pick that way. And then obviously I'll pick again for the second, and I'll pick again until I get somebody, because I want somebody from the UK, someone in Europe, and someone abroad, like international, like America, Canada, New Zealand, somewhere like that. So you'll all get something. So that's your incentive. So there'll be a kit, the card kit, which is, they're normally about £33, I think, something like that. But there's an offer on with this at the moment. You will get 2 packets, like I say, 2 pads of designer series paper. You'll get either this, not this one, because this one's mine, or another one of these, but brand new, or the Stampin' Up one. I think I've just ordered the Stampin' Up one, actually. I've ordered fine tip glue as well, the Memories and More pack, and I've got an abundance of washi tape. So, but yeah, and then a second prize stamp set, DSP, and some form of glue, and then the international prize. I will do card kits. I will do any little elements that I've made myself that I can, you know, send to you as gifts. So, you know, stuff like that, and a pocket letter for the first prize with all that content as well. So it's going to come to about £100. So, oh, who's up for that then? So, like I say, just leave me a lovely comment. The quicker, even if you're new and you've just subscribed, or you just watching the video and you subscribe, leave a comment. But please, you've got to stay subscribed. You can't come in, click subscribe, write me a lovely little comment, and then unsubscribe, because you won't get notified that way when I do the video, for one. And I'd like you to stay and enjoy what I'm doing and sharing all my wonderful projects with you all. So I do love this. I just love making videos. I love... I can imagine you all sitting here with me, see, or most of you sitting here with me. My kitchen's not that big, trust me. But yeah, I just want to give something back. I mean, I know I don't ever sell anything. It all goes to charity. I don't ask for customers. I'm a hobby demonstrator. It's my passion. It's my therapy as well, believe it or not. I just makes me stop thinking of, because I'm not going to go, no, I'm not getting that deep now. Just say it this way, I didn't have a very nice childhood. And sometimes, you know, they say you wish your life you could do it all over again. I wish I could, but with different parents. How's that? But I love my mum to death. But, you know, it could have been a bit different when we were kids. Right, that's all I'm saying. I'm not getting deep. It's about a giveaway and how, well, the card kit, the designer series points, my choice, because I do tend to buy nice stuff. You all love it anyway. The Pick Me Up tool, fine tip glue, washi tape, Memories and More pack, and a pocket letter. Let me just write that down. Pocket letter. This is the first prize. Second prize will get a stamp set, not non-Stampin' Up. They will get DSP, glue, and a handmade goodie. And internationals. Oops, I'm knocking over my little tin. Oops, they've gone all over the desk now. Oh heck, come on, back in the tub. International's third prize will get card kits from me, handmade goodies, and I'll think of a few other things and maybe put some, maybe a non-Stampin' Up stamp set. Non-Stampin' Up, because I can't send current. Maybe some inks even. I might even throw in some ink pads as well. How's that? Oh, right. So all you have to do, like I say, leave me a lovely comment. Please click subscribe and the little bell as well, so you'll be notified of all future videos. I do post every single day if I can. I just want to show you this. Look at my pen. It's the flamingo. It's just so cute, and it stands up on your desk with one foot. It's so cute. Yeah, so I will throw a little bundle together, and I don't mind posting to the USA or New Zealand or Canada or wherever it is in the world. I just want to say thank you all for supporting me for so so much and for so long, and it's just crazy. So let's get to 8, 9 and then 10 and we'll do the draw and away to go. Then we'll move on to the next 10. Oh, now Gaynor, stop being greedy. I love you all so much. Take care. Bye.